Hey guys, it's H2flow. We're going to unbox the LevelSmart Wireless Autofill and just kind of show you what's in the box. So what we got here is this is the controller. It's a nice little presentation and what we got in this top box is the controller. This is the valve controller. This valve right here is going to go to this wire right here is going to go to the valve. This is going to go to the power supply, power transformer, and this is the valve controller. Secondly, we got the antenna tip. It's a T-bar antenna. This is going to attach to the valve controller. And then we got a little set of instructions here. This is going to walk you right through every step of the instruction of the installation and kind of ensure a successful install. And then we got our valve. It's a Hunter valve, female threaded on entry and exit of the valve. There is flow control. It's just a regular solenoid knob, and we'll go more into detail about that later. Then we got our power supply, standard 3-pin plug, 24-volt transformer here that the valve controller plugs into. This is how we get power, and it also powers the valve. Then if you dive into this little section here, we have our sensor. Magnet kind of fell off there, but this is our sensor here. This is the piece that goes into the pool. So we're actually going to install this on the water line of the pool, and this is what's going to talk to the controller. And then last but not least, we have our little accessory pack. In this we have 2 wire nuts, 2 mounting screws for the valve controller, and then pool epoxy putty to adhere the sensor to the water line in the pool. And so this is everything that comes in the kit. The instructions will guide you right through how to install it. It's a very simple install on new and existing construction.